I'm Mila with Experience Kissimmee, and we're ready to find our wild side here at Wild Florida. You'll notice lots of safety precautions to keep everybody safe while having an outstanding time here in this outdoor adventure park. Now, let's check out some of the must-do things while you're here. It's time to buckle up and head to the Drive-thru Safari, where you can spot over 100 native and exotic animals that roam freely through the area. There's no waiting in lines or dealing with traffic and parking because you get to experience this safari in your own vehicle as wild animals surround you, and from a safe distance. You'll be just feet away from exotic animals you've only dreamed about. I'm all for a good off-the-beaten-path tour. We've seen the giraffes from our car, but now we're gonna go up close and actually feed them. This is a great opportunity to take photos because these beautiful animals come right up to you. I'm so excited. Our next stop is a change of pace. We'll be gliding on water. These airboats soar right on top of the water, and you'll get to see wildlife like alligators, Florida native birds, and even some surprises. The headwaters of the Everglades is a great place to spot all sorts of wildlife with the wind rushing through your hair. And don't worry, life jackets and ear protections are available for each guest and have been properly sanitized. Here at Wild Florida, they bring out the best in animal conservation and education. From personally feeding them at the petting zoo to watching the pros handle that duty from afar, it's exciting to see these scaly reptiles in action. Don't forget to stop by and wave to Snowflake and Blizzard, the rare albino gators. If you think all alligators are green, you've never seen these incredible scaly friends. Have you ever hung out with a lemur? They're fantastic company. Here at Wild Florida, all of the encounters cater to the animal's natural behavior and will be safely accompanied by one of their animal care members. We've had such a fun day here at Wild Florida, and there's still so many more amazing things to see in this fantastic park. Remember to always keep your face mask on and sanitize your hands constantly. Thank you for joining us at Wild Florida, and we hope you have a wild time here soon as well.